If you want to learn the basics of playing Seben and how to improvise when playing Seben on bass, then watch this video. So when it comes to playing Seben, there are two aspects that I want to focus on today, which is the technique and the music theory. So if we focus on the technique first, our aim is to sound almost like a percussion instrument, and this is what I mean. If you want to learn more about the Seben technique, watch some of the exercises that I have on my YouTube channel. I have a Seben technique video, which will give you exercises for your right hand, your left hand, and how to sound more like a Congolese player. In order to get a good technique, you have to use your thumbs, your left thumb and your right thumb. So when we play, so we're always using this. You of course use the right thumb and the right index finger for a better tone. The other aspect of playing Seben is the music theory. So when it comes to the music theory, you need to know major scales, arpeggios, thirds, fifths, and octaves. Let's take, for example, the D major scale. So we have the D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So if we assign a number to each of the notes of the major scale, of the D major scale, we will have 1 to 7. To get an arpeggio, so we have the, let's say for example, we have 1, the D, 2, the E, 3. So this is the third that I was talking about. Then you have the fourth, the G, and then you have the fifth, the A. So if I just take the 1, the 3, and the fifth, which is the A, I'll have a major triad, which is the D major arpeggio. So I can also add the octave. So I'm not going to focus too much on what arpeggios are, what major scales are. I'm just going to show you how they help us to play Seben. If I take the bass line that I played before, so I was using thirds and fifths when I was playing it. How so? So I was playing, so 1, 1, 3. So that's a 3 when I played the 1, the D. And then the next note will be the 4. So that's just the 4. And then when I played the A, so the 4 is the G, of course. When I would go to the A, so it's 1, 4, 5, 4, meaning D, G, A, G. When I go to the A, instead of actually going here and just playing the A, I play the E. But I play the E down here. Why? Because of this shape. Because the E forms part of the A major chord. So if I can play the E, but I choose to play this one for fluidity. So I'm playing this. I can also play octaves, so I can play it like this. So I'm playing octaves, so I'm, instead of going, I'm playing just the G here, I can do this. And also when I go to the 3, they're sharp. The other thing you'll notice when we play Seben is that we're always playing on the G string. We're always playing this. So every single key has its own identity, meaning that you can't just play what the Seben that you play on D, on C. It will sound a bit different. For example, on C it will sound like this. It will sound a bit different, But on C, I can play this. Or if I tried to play on a G, I can't play that because it's too low. Meaning that I have to play something different on G, because the G that I'm concerned about is here, because it allows me to play on the G string better. It will sound higher. So and it's the same thing when you play on E, when you play on F sharp, and each key has its own identity. Or sometimes you can group them into certain groups. Like, for example, what I play on E can be quite similar to what I play on F. What I play on F sharp can be quite similar to what I play on G, and also A flat. What I play on B can be similar, not completely the same, as to what I play on C. And then you have A, B flat, similar as well. You have D, I like to put D on its own. And of course you have E flat as well. I don't see a lot of people playing E flat on Seben. Another thing that's important to add in order to improvise is ghost notes. So this is more concerning the technique aspect. So when I play, instead of playing this, watch how it sounds different like this. So what I'm doing is muting the strings to play the ghost notes. So if I just rest my left hand on the strings and then play, so I'll rest the 2 times. So I mute twice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you do that every time you play. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.